grade 9. So we're moving on to another section, which is a binomial by binomial. Now just remember, binomial is just a bracket with two terms in it. Okay, I'm going to be working from slides 49 to 59 with the PowerPoint that's been uploaded to your Teams. Okay, so you'll read through the couple of slides on your own. It's just explaining what we're going to be doing. So I think the best way for me to do this is just to go through an example, and it'll explain everything that was said in those first few slides. Okay, so our first example, and the question is simplify. So we need to simplify this. Okay, and as you can see, it is a binomial multiplied by binomial. You've got two terms multiplied by two terms. Now, what I want you guys to remember is something called FOIL. Okay, and we're going to be using FOIL a lot with these things. Now, FOIL stands for, the F stands for first, the O stands for outer, the I stands for inner, and then the L stands for lasts. Okay, now what does that mean? Okay, so if we have a look at the first, it means that we take the first terms like that. Okay, so let me just make a note here. So this will be the firsts. Okay, now x times x gives us x squared. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the outers. So here are our outer terms, that one and that one. So this is going to be our outers. Okay, and x times minus 2 is minus 2x. Then we're going to move on to the inners. So we've got to do these ones. Those are your inner terms. So inners, minus 10 times x is minus 10x. And then we move on to the lasts. So these are your lasts here. That one and that one there. And that's your last. So minus 10 times minus 2 is plus 20. All right, so we've done our foiling. Now all we need to do is just do looking for like terms. So no other x squareds. Then we've got minus 2x minus 10x gives us minus 12x. And then you're just left with a plus 20. And there you go. We simplified it using FOIL. Okay, moving on to example 2. We've got x plus 6, x minus 3. Okay, so firsts, so that's our firsts there. That will give us x squared. Remember, we're multiplying home. Then we go on to the outers. So x times minus 3 is minus 3x. Move on to the inners. So 6 times x is plus 6x. And then we've got the lasts. So 6 times minus 3 is minus 18. We get like terms together, so we've got x squared plus 6x minus 18. Okay. Going on to example 3. We've got 2x minus 5, 3x minus 10. Okay. We're going to use FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So the first gives us 2x times 3x gives us 6x squared. Outers, 2x times minus 10 gives us minus 20x. Inners gives us minus 15x. And then we've got the lasts, which gives us plus 50. Get like terms together, so that'll give us minus 35x plus 50. And there's our solution. Okay, grade 9s, that is it for foiling. What I would like you guys to do for homework is exercise 8.11, number 1A to J, then exercise 8.12, number 1, and then exercise 8.13, number 1. Okay, there's quite a bit here. A, C, E, G, K, N, P, R, and T. Okay, grade 9s, I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not that bad. You can see that it's just a 2-liner for each question, okay? So it's not too bad. All right, guys, thanks and good luck.